Today we are going to study about the Lok Sabha and its quorum. What is the quorum of the Lok Sabha? A quorum is the minimum number of members required to be present before a meeting is allowed to begin. Here, quorum is nothing but it is a minimum number of members required to be present in the Lok Sabha. So we said Lok Sabha, we have 552 members, total members in the Lok Sabha. So in this Lok Sabha, at least minimum number of members to be present before any meeting is allowed to begin. That is known as quorum. That is 1/10, at least 55 members among 552, at least 555 members of the total members of the Lok Sabha must be present in the Lok Sabha before any meeting to begin. Next, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha may adjourn the House or suspend the meeting until there is a requisite quorum. That means the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, he may adjourn the meeting, or he may suspend the meeting whenever there is a required number of members are not there in the meeting. Next one, the House cannot conduct the proceedings and pass bills and resolutions. That means in the Lok Sabha, if there are no minimum members present in the meeting, then they cannot conduct any meetings or proceedings, and they cannot pass bills and any resolutions in the Lok Sabha. So that is everything about the quorum. The next one is the salary and allowances of member of Lok Sabha. How much salary and allowances they are getting in the Lok Sabha? A member of the parliament gets a salary of 50,000 per month and allowance of 2,000 per day and other benefits. The member of Lok Sabha, their salary is 50,000 per month and 2,000 allowance per day, and also they get other benefits. The salary of the members of the Lok Sabha is determined by the Parliament and is drawn from the Consolidated Fund of India. That means the salary of the Lok Sabha members are fixed by the Parliament. That means they themselves, Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha members, they fix their own salary and they get the salary from the particular fund. The fund name is known as Consolidated Fund of India. Next one, we are going to study about the language to be used in the Lok Sabha. What language is used in the Lok Sabha? Business in the parliament is transacted in Hindi or English. That means in Lok Sabha, whenever the meeting is conducted, member is allowed to speak only in Hindi or in English. But the speaker or the chairman may permit a member to speak in his own mother tongue if he has some difficulty to speak in Hindi or English. That means if any member of Lok Sabha doesn't know the Hindi language or English, he can speak in his own mother tongue, that is whether Kannada, Tamil, or Gujarati, any language he can speak if he doesn't know Hindi or English. So that is the language to be used in the Lok Sabha. Officially, only Hindi and English. Otherwise, speaker, with the permission of speaker, they may speak in their own mother tongue. Next one, leader of the house. Who is the leader of the house? Lok Sabha house. The prime minister is the leader of the house. Here, very important note we have to keep in mind that leader of the house is always prime minister. He is the leader of the house. He is the last person to wind up a debate and to reply to all the points raised in a discussion before voting takes place on any motion. Any discussion or debate takes place in the Lok Sabha, the leader of the house, that is prime minister, is the person to wind up all the debates and other things in the Lok Sabha. Next one, speaker of the Lok Sabha. Here in the Lok Sabha, the lower house of the parliament, the speaker and the deputy speaker are elected from among its members. In the Lok Sabha, speaker is the person who conducts the meetings and calls the meetings. So here he is the elected by among the members of Lok Sabha, and also one deputy speaker. Whenever speaker is absent, deputy speaker conducts the meetings in the absence of speaker. So that is the speaker of the Lok Sabha. Next one, we are going to study about the method of election to the speaker. After general elections, when a new Lok Sabha is formed, the speaker is elected by the members of the Lok Sabha in the first meeting. So here, how speaker is elected? After general election is over, when the members of the Lok Sabha meet for the first time, in the first meeting, the speaker is elected. Speaker is elected. Next one, speaker pro tem. What do you mean by speaker pro tem? That is nothing but is a temporary speaker. The first sitting of a newly elected Lok Sabha after the general election is presided over by the speaker pro tem. Speaker pro tem or temporary speaker is the speaker who sits in the Lok Sabha when the new Lok Sabha is formed till the new permanent speaker is elected. Speaker pro tem is presides over the Lok Sabha. Next one, what is the term of office of the speaker? Once the speaker is elected to the speaker, to the chair, he holds office from the date of his election. From the date of his election till immediately before the first meeting of the new Lok Sabha. That means we said Lok Sabha tenure is 5 years. So the speaker is elected for 5 years till the new Lok Sabha. After the 5 years new Lok Sabha is formed, till then the speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected.